Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to see beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So we've got a few little beauty boxes to unbox here. First of all, I've got an Asos one right here, and I've also got this huge Plouise one, which I wonder what it can be. So this is the Plouise budget box for July, and this was the Asos August box. So yeah, if you want to see what's inside both of these beauty boxes, then please stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this Plouise one first because it is very exciting. So as you know, I shop on the Plouise budget box quite often, monthly. Sometimes we'll unbox them on here or on TikTok or whatever. But yes, so this budget box is £30, which is usually, you get so much more for that. It is so worth it. I definitely would recommend. She usually releases the budget boxes to pay, to buy at the beginning of the month, and then they're not shipped until the end of the month. So sometimes you have to wait a while for them, but honestly it is so worth it. In this box we've got 3 items. So yeah, it's usually a mixture of new and other stuff that she'll throw in there. So first of all, we've got a brush. So I absolutely love her Plouise brushes. I don't know what style this is because it's just got the weird symbol. It is just a blending brush, like a synthetic one, and perfect for getting into those creases. It's quite a tapered blending brush, and they are really good quality. I absolutely love her brush sets. And next thing we got was a nitro paint. Now I've already got this, and I think I've got a backup of it, so I might actually sell it. But yeah, it's a really good, nice teal shade. It's from the original Acid Rain collection, so this was the first lot of paints that she released with Mitchell, and I absolutely love these paints. Can't fault them. And then we've got the star of the show. So this bad boy has only just been released, and it's usually like what, £40 odd. We've got a full size Money Shot palette. It is literally just come out. I can't believe she's put these in the budget boxes. That is absolutely insane. So you best believe I'm going to be doing a video on this, a few videos, because there's so many shades in here. I love these palettes. I absolutely love them. I've got all of them. They're my favourites because you just get so much bang for your buck. There's so much shade in here. Literally, this every single green you can think of. But this is the packaging, which she obviously always goes OTT. I just feel like these packaging aren't really travel friendly, but then I'm probably, if I'm going to go away, I'm not going to really take a green eyeshadow palette with me. I'm going to take a neutral one. But yeah, this is for me, for home, or even if I do clients at my house and I need a green eyeshadow. I've got everything in here, but there's also neutrals as well. So gotta be careful. Oh my god. So this is the sheet. Look at that, absolutely unreal. So this is a pressed pigment palette, and I just love this dark corner over this end. Oh, unreal. And those olivey tones, but then that's not it. And then you've got this drawer, which this drawer is speaking to me because it's got the mustards, the grungy golds and olive tones and browns and stuff like that. This is the row for me. This is the palette for me. I absolutely love this. This is it's giving me Melt Gemini vibes, but obviously a lot bigger and a lot more bougie. And then we've got the Asos August box. So this baby only cost me £15, which I thought was a bargain. And these sell like hotcakes. So I think they usually get released at the beginning of the month, but you have to get them that day because otherwise they just sell out. So these are all, I believe, travel size products. Yes, open it up. Your products in there. So you usually get 5 products in these, and they're all high-endy or really well-known brands, which is why it's a really good thing to get. But yeah, the first thing that I got was a Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which is just something that's always chucked in these kind of boxes. I have so many of these, and yeah, but it is a really good mascara, so I don't actually mind it. And then I got a Morphe 2 Glassified lip oil, and if you know me, I love a lip oil, so this is not going to go amiss. It's in one of the jelly squeezy tubes, which I think is very summer vibes, and literally goes on like butter. Oh my god, it is so oily, and I absolutely love that for my lips. You can tell it gives you an automatic glass juicy lip effect. So yeah, this will definitely make your lips juicy, and I love that. It's got a nice little rosy tint to it. And then we've got a NARS blush. So again, this is another product that's always thrown into these kind of boxes or advent calendars, something like that. And it's a NARS Orgasm blush, which again I already have, but how cute. How cute is this? That's what it looks like. It's a really pretty pink blush with like a gold sheen to it. It's a staple, that's for sure. And then one product that I am excited to try is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. So I love LMS skincare products, and yeah, I've never tried something like this before. So this is 20ml of product, and it's a kombucha glow moisturiser. So it's a priming moisturiser that leaves skin with a dewy glow. So I bet this will wear so nicely underneath makeup. It's like a skincare and makeup hybrid, which really like when it's like hot weather like this. You don't want to keep layering on so many products. And then last but not least, and this was like the defining factor of me getting this box, was the Benefit 24-hour brow gel. Like, I've never actually tried this one before, like this brow gel. I've tried some of the other Benefit brow products, but yeah, so excited to try this. The only thing is, really don't like this packaging. It's like plastic and looks very cheap, but this is what the wand looks like, and even getting out then, it looks like it'll be very sticky. And the wand looks like it's going to comb through every single one of your brow hairs, which I absolutely love. So I can't wait to really try that. And that is it. So that's all 5 of the products right here, which for £15 is an absolute bargain. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below if there's anything that you want to see a video on first, or anything that you tried, anything that you like. And don't worry, there will be multiple videos of the Plouise Money Shop palette review, first impressions, looks, whatever, that will be up soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.